The HomePod has arrived. Now this is an important product for Apple because it's the first in the smart speaker category. So let's see what's inside the box of this $350 Apple product. Okay, so the first thing I'm noticing is the weight of this thing. It is heavy, much more so than, say, the Amazon Echo or the Google Home. Now let's get all this out of the way, and I'm gonna keep the box because I'm hoping there's some other things inside. Let's focus on the speaker itself first. It is space gray, as you can see, and the plug is already connected to the speaker itself. So in terms of design, I think it's a good-looking speaker. It's a cylinder, kind of like the Mac Pro, and it's covered in this mesh-like fabric that you see here with what looks to be a plastic top, but let's peel off the plastic to confirm, and yep, that's plastic underneath too. But honestly, what strikes me the most is the cable. I'm so used to seeing the USB and wall adapter for Apple products, and even the material itself of the cable is different. It also seems to be covered in fabric, maybe to avoid knotting, not so sure. In fact, the entire cable is completely attached to the speaker, and there's no way to disassemble any part of it. So let's flip this thing over, and the bottom looks like plastic as well, but it feels more like a soft rubber with the Apple logo, of course. So back to the box. We have the instruction manual, which is pretty short, and the Apple logo sticker, and that's it, guys. No more cables, no more wall adapters, no more fun surprises. That's all you get inside the box of this $350 HomePod. Well, I think this has been one of the shortest unboxings in CNET history. Let's go over what's in the box once again. The box, the HomePod, and, oh yeah, the sticker. Now check out our full review of Apple's HomePod at cnet.com.